Hey there, and welcome back to PSYCH Authority. Breakups can be incredibly challenging, but if you are wondering how to get your ex back, we've got you covered, because today we will explore a step-by-step guide that might help you rekindle the connection with your former partner. Now, before we begin, it is crucial to remember that not all relationships are meant to be rekindled, and getting back together is not always the best option. However, if you genuinely believe in the potential of your relationship, these steps can guide you in your efforts. So, step 1 is self-reflection. You need to take some time to understand why the relationship ended. What were the issues and challenges that led up to the breakup? What role did you play in these issues? Self-awareness is the first step toward growth. Step 2, no contact. Step 2 is to implement the no contact rule. Give both yourself and your ex space and time to heal and gain perspective. Now, this means no texts, no calls, and no social media interactions for a significant period of time. Step 3, self-improvement. Work on becoming the best version of yourself. This can include personal goals, fitness, education, or pursuing hobbies that you're passionate about. The idea here is to show personal growth and maturity. Step 4, re-establish communication. After the no contact period, reach out to your ex in a friendly and non-intrusive manner. Start with casual conversations and avoid discussing the past or the breakup initially. Step 5, address the issues. Step 5 is you have to address the issues that led to the breakup. If you both decide to meet and discuss the relationship, be open and honest about your feelings and concerns. Listen actively to your ex's perspective as well. Step 6, apologize and forgive. If you have identified mistakes that you made in the relationship, apologize sincerely. And similarly, be open to forgiving your ex for any of their wrongdoings. Let go of grudges for a fresh start. Step 7, rebuild trust. Trust is often damaged in a breakup, and it takes time to repair it. Be patient and consistent in your actions to rebuild trust with your ex. Step 8, take it slow. Do not rush into a relationship. Instead, let it develop naturally. Rushing can lead to repeating past mistakes. Step 9, seek professional help. If you find that communication is challenging or there are deep-rooted issues, consider seeking professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide valuable guidance. Step 10, be prepared for any outcome. Understand that even if you follow these steps diligently, there is no guarantee that your ex will want to get back together. So be open to the possibility of moving on and finding happiness independently. Now, in conclusion, getting your ex back is a delicate process that requires self-awareness, patience, and a genuine desire for change. And while these steps can be helpful, remember that the outcome is uncertain, and it's essential to prioritize your own well-being and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on relationships, self-improvement, and personal growth. If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, leave them in the comments below, because we love hearing from you. Then you can click right here for another great relationship psychology video, and I will see you there.